Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Glasswire. Glasswire is not only a powerful network monitoring tool but also allows you to customize its look to suit your preferences. You can choose between light, dark or the custom themes to make the interface easy on your eyes or just match your style. So changing the theme is simple and can be done in a few steps. So first, you need to open to your Glasswire. You need to select to the Start menu on your window PC and open to your Glasswire over here. And once you reach into this interface of your Glasswire, in the top right you can find this Glasswire here. Select to this and go to this theme just below the language. Over here you can find a lot of themes. Here you can select any of the theme that you prefer by simply selecting one of the themes, and that is it. And the theme changes will apply instantly, so you can see how it looks in the real time. And your new theme is now active and will remain until you change it again. And switching between light dark themes is especially helpful if you use Glasswire at the different times of the day. Dark theme apply light theme during the day. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you have any trouble or confusion. Please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.